सगळ्यांना नमस्कार. अ व्हेरी गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू प्रेझेंट हियर. आज हांव इतल्याच गजाली खातीर आयला की कोण तरी सुनीता म्हणून एक दिल्ली लेटर काडटा इन द नेम ऑफ IMA दॅट फिजिओथेरपिस्ट कॅनॉट प्रिफिक्स डॉक्टर्स अँड वन्स आर NCA आमचे जे काउन्सिल आसा NCAHP ते काउन्सिलाक जेन्ना आमी तांकां सांगता दे हॅव withdrawn the letter. But the worst part is some media in Goa have not even asked any person from Indian Association of Physiotherapy or the Goa Council and have published that physiotherapists cannot prefix doctor. I tell every single person today, don't mess with physiotherapy and physiotherapy professions. If someone does it from now on, trust me, आम्ही minimum to minimum 100 कोटीचे डिफामेशन तुमचेर घालतले through Indian Association of Physiotherapy. I am talking on behalf of Indian Association of Physiotherapy as an ex officio. We have not given the council. The council is given by the Honorable Prime Minister. Source 2.3 curriculum clearly states that physiotherapists are entitled to use prefix doctor and suffix PT. We have not done the council. The council is done by the government there. It has been passed by the finance department. It is passed by the law department. It is passed by the cabinet. It is passed by the parliament. It is not done by Ketan Bhatikar or anyone. Every physiotherapist 11वी-12वी पर्यंत शिकता सायन्सान. 12वी जावन he studies for more 5 years. Studies the head, neck, thorax, abdomen, upper limb, lower limb, origin, nerve, insertion, biomechanics, physiology, pathology, every single thing what an MBBS studies. And we are proud about it. After that we do an internship of 1 year. Then we do masters of 2 years. Then we do PhD also. Whenever a player falls down on the ground for BCCI matches, for any Olympic matches, it is the physiotherapist which runs on the ground within 20 seconds to 30 seconds, assesses the player and sees that the player is right. भुरगो जल्माक येवच्या पासून जाणटो जाय पर्यंत, from wheelchair to pediatric to geriatric, it is the physiotherapist which works continuously day and night out. कोणाक फेशियल पाल्सी जाल्यार तो फेशियल पाल्सी सुद्धा इलेक्ट्रिकल नर्व स्टिम्युलेशनाचेर फिजिओथेरपिस्ट हँडल करता. आज मायग्रेन पासून आर्थरायटिस पर्यंत, सर्वायकल स्पॉन्ड पासून खंयचोय एंकल इंजरी पर्यंत, आज गँग्रीन पासून नेक्रोसिस पर्यंत फिजिओथेरपिस्ट ते जाऊ नये म्हणून ते ताजेर काम करता. Any single pain, any single injury, we never say anything to any physicians or any IMA or anything. But when people like Sunita who have problem at their family suddenly sit there, write a letter and defame physiotherapist, it is absolutely wrong. Understand? एक आमचो रूल आहे की DGHS जे आसा cannot overrule our council. DGHS cannot overrule the cabinet. DGHS cannot overrule the parliament. DGHS cannot overrule the Honorable Prime Minister. Understand, the Physiotherapy Council with Dr.Prefix has been proudly given to us by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, passing it in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Cabinet, and then it is made an act